In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed a Milanote board directly into Notion so you can view and reference your visual boards without leaving your workspace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Milanote and go to the board that you wanted to share with so that you can embed that link to Notion. So in the top corner of your board here in Milanote, go to the share option. I want you to click the copy link because we are going to embed this link into Notion. Remember that private boards won't embed properly in Notion, so you want to make sure that this is in public settings. Okay? Once you've done that, hover to your Notion account. I want you to go to the workspaces and add a new block. Type in here block. So we are going to create a new one. We can simply use the build block with AI so that we're not going to start from scratch. So it may take a little while. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, you will be forwarded to click the continue button. Okay, click done. And once you have it, I want you to add a new item here. You see this? Create a new item and paste the embedded link. Now, if you click on it, Notion will load your Milanote board directly inside the page. As you can see, you have been redirected to the Milanote itself. And basically, that's how you embed a Milanote board in Notion. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.